Hey guys, welcome back to Justin's Motorsport on Rumble and YouTube, and today's video is, well, I haven't done one of these videos in a very long time, and this is my night run Bubba Mug refill to 7-Eleven. So in this video we are going to fill my favorite mug with some zesty drinks, and yeah, we'll show you the drive on the way down there, and yeah, so we'll just get driving down to 7-Eleven. Haven't done these in a while. Bubba Mug, Bubba out. Roads may be icy. Yeah. And if you're probably wondering about the frost on the one, this is the type of frost that you really can't scrape. You just gotta let the heat defrost it for you. That's just the way this type of frost is. And it is, looks like it's minus 14 right now, and it's supposed to go down into the minus 20s tonight. So, yes, definitely gonna be a chilly one. They call it a chilly run. Ice today. Alright guys, hello, we're back here. Bubba's back here, and we're here, so we're going to go and fill up. Hello. Alright, here's fountains here. So, what are you guys thinking you should have? Ice. Let's go Dr. Pepper. I think it's out. No, it's not. Oh. Carbonated. So the straws. Oh, the counters there. Alrighty. Hello. Oh, refill. Yeah, I got my card with me. My 7-Eleven card here. Here. Should work. There we go. Yeah. Alrighty, 220. There you are. Well, you're welcome. Yes, you too. Oh, I just got a straw. I just need one. Just one. Thank you. Yeah. This is going to stay on the car, but should just stay there. Oh, the car's not all full of ice. I'll turn that way here. Bubba Mug or not. Put that down there. So I hope you guys got this back here, and yeah, so yeah, got her filled up, ready to go. And yeah, if you guys like this kind of stuff, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Really help me out and all that. And like, I haven't done one of these in a while. And on Justin's Motorsport, everything starts with a dream. I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, I upload videos on Rumble on Mondays and YouTube on Wednesdays. So have a good night, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. There we go. Looks good. So if you notice a little extra here, you notice this, they changed everything on here. They redid this whole Dewdney strip. It doesn't look dreary anymore, and it looks really, really nice. This is beautiful. This is nice. They did a really good job here. Lots of lighting and everything. Like, this is so cool. Like, this is nice. Well, these are all pubs and everything down here. So you got pubs and some clubs as well, and lounges and all that all along here, which is really cool. Like, this looks really nice. Look at that. Wow. This is so nice down here. Wow. At night, it's cool seeing it at night down here.